Hello friends, we have started with a new chapter that is Preventive Medicine in Obstetrics, Pediatrics and Geriatrics, and today we are learning about Janani Sukarsha Yojana JSY. In this lecture we will learn about what is JSY, its objective and its feature. The National Maternity Benefit Scheme has been modified into new scheme called as Janani Sukarsha Yojana. It is a safe motherhood intervention under NRHM. Its objective are to reduce maternal and infant mortality by encouraging institutional deliveries and focusing on institutional care among the women below poverty line. So let us see now the features of JSY. First of all, it is a 100% centrally sponsored scheme. The cash is given if the women take health services at a hospital or government health facility. The cash is linked to the women visiting a health center for antenatal care, delivery or postpartum. So the states are categorized as low performing states and high performing states on the basis of institutional deliveries. In case of high performing state, the benefit will be given to all the women delivering in the government health center or accredited private hospital residing in rural or urban area belonging to below poverty line or SC/ST and age 19 years or above up to 2 live births. In low performing state, the cash benefit will be extended to all live birth delivered in government health facility like sub-center, community health center, PHC, first referral unit, general ward of district and state hospital or accredited private hospital. In case of third child, the mother is motivated to undergo sterilization in the health facility where she delivered immediately after the delivery. The Yojana also subsidizes the cost of caesarean section and management for obstetric complication up to 1500 per delivery to the government institution where government specialists are not in position. In low performing states, all below poverty line women who prefer delivery at home are entitled to cash assistance of Rs 500 per delivery regardless of the age and the number of children. The ASHA would work as a link health worker between the poor pregnant women and the public sector health institutions in the low performing state. The ASHA would get cash benefit for ensuring institutional antenatal as well as postnatal care and would be responsible for escorting the pregnant women to the health center. In rural areas, in low performing and high performing states, ASHA is given 600. In urban areas, in low performing and high performing states, ASHA is given 400. In rural areas, low performing states, mother is given 1400 and high performing states, mother is given 700. In urban areas and low performing state, the mother is given 1000 and in high performing state, the mother is given 600. The payment is to be made through direct benefit transfer mode where eligible pregnant women are entitled to get their JSY benefit directly into their Aadhaar link bank account through electronic fund transfer. So with this we have come to an end of this lecture. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it and subscribe for more.